What is up, you guys? Ed here from TechSource, and today I'm going to show you how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy S3 smartphone so you can use it on any carrier or country you like. For this demonstration, I'm going to use my AT&T Galaxy S3 and unlock it so I can use it on my T-Mobile network. So first we need to get the unlock code for the phone before we proceed with the unlocking procedure. I personally use the unlocking company for all my devices simply because they have the lowest prices in the market with the fastest delivery speeds. So head on over to theunlockingcompany.com, and once you're there, you're going to be selecting your phone manufacturer and the phone model from the drop down list. And once you do that, select get unlocking code, which takes you to the next step, which is to select what country you purchased the phone from as well as the carrier of the phone. And please remember that this is the carrier that the phone is originally purchased from. You will need the phone's IMEI number to continue, and I'm going to show you how to look it up on your phone. So open up your dial pad and enter in *#06# and the number will immediately show up, and you will need to enter that on the website to continue. Make sure you select the correct currency for your country before moving on. Once you select get unlocking code and check out securely with PayPal, they will email you the code. The price and time vary depending on the phone, but they do guarantee that you are getting the lowest price and the fastest delivery times. Once you receive your code via email, it's time to unlock your phone. So before we continue, make sure that the phone is powered off. Go ahead and remove the back plate and the battery off the phone so you can access the SIM tray and insert your SIM card that's from another carrier inside the phone. If your SIM card is a different size, then you have to adjust it in order for it to fit. I have provided you with a link in the description to show you how that's done. After your SIM is inserted, put back the battery and the back plate and power on your phone. Once it boots up, go ahead and leave the lock screen. Then it should ask you to enter the code, and this is where you enter the unlock code that was sent to you through the email. Once accepted, your phone is now unlocked and you can begin using it immediately. So that's how you unlock your Galaxy S3 smartphone. If this video helped you guys out, feel free to leave a like, and if you have any questions or concerns, then leave a comment down below and I will respond as soon as possible. This is Ed from TechSource, and I will see you next time.